Welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, we will unbox this one. So we got these on Christmas Day from Aunt Grace. Aunt Grace is my husband's auntie. Okay, so she sent it to us for as a Christmas gift. So it's Brookstone, PhotoShare, Friends, and Family Smart Frame. So guys, it will be our it's our first time to to have something like this. So we're so thankful and happy for this gift, Aunt Grace. Thank you so much for this lovely gift. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like and what goes with what goes in this box. So it's just merely unboxing, guys. So PhotoShare Friends and Family Smart Frames send photos and messages from phones to frames in seconds. So I think Aunt Grace, she knows that it's just me who loves photos, who loves taking picture and sharing it to our friends and family. So I think that's the reason why she thought of giving us this gift, because I love photography. I love taking photos, capturing moments. So nice of her. It's so thoughtful of her. So this one is 8 inches HD touchscreen display, 8 GB internal memory, with can have 5,000 plus photos. Create your own photo network with family and friends. Bring photos out of your phone and into your life. So I don't know how to use this yet, guys. So I will just unbox it today and then I will try it, and then next time maybe I can make a review for this one. Okay, as you can see, so from phone, you can send all your beautiful photos of your family and friends in this frame. So yeah, it's like electronic frame or album, right? Because most of us loves photos and capturing moments. So this will be really a nice idea on how to share photos or memories with others, and you can just display it in your living room. So many ways to share PhotoShare Frame App: by email, by Facebook, or Google Photos. So get it on Google Play or download on the App Store. So this is how the box looks like. Alright, looks really interesting. I'm really excited to use this. Send multiple photos to multiple frames at once. So 3 frame style in one: traditional, white matte, transitional, black matte, modern, no frame, no matte. So connect to Google Photos. You can have music and video, clock and calendar, SD and USB support, freestanding and wall mountable, auto dim, auto rotate. Okay, so let's go. Let's unbox it. Join me, guys. By the way, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's try to open it. Okay, so push. Alright. Photo share. So it's another box. Okay. Beautiful packaging. Okay, let's see. So well packed. It's well packed, guys. Look at that. So pretty. So we have here SD, and then here USB. Yeah, 2 USB port here, and then DO. I don't know what DO is. So it's mountable. Okay, so let's see what's else inside the box. Okay, the manual. So there's a manual inside. And then let's see what's here. Oh, so this is if you want to stand it, the stand. So this is the stand. So 2 stands. Let's see how it looks like. Okay. So guys, this is how to use the stand. The stand for this PhotoShare. Okay. Because it's either you'll mount it here, you will hang it in the wall, or use the stand. So I'll show you how to use the stand. Okay, so it's 2 pieces. So what you'll do, you'll just insert this first piece to the second piece like this. Okay, that's it. So you'll put it like this, guys. Not like this. I thought it's like this. So like this, you'll slide it under this one. You slide it here like this, guys. Slide it here to put it together. Okay. Okay, you heard that click button, right? It means it's together now. Alright, and then we will put it below like this. Okay, we will attach it here and let your photo frame attach with it like this. Okay. So here's the cable. Okay. So okay, so this is the DO for the power source. Alright, I think I need to charge this first. I'll make another video for this for review. I'll try to use it first, charge it, and then use it. Then I'll make a review of it, guys. So stay tuned, you know. Wait for my next video. So I think that's it. What's inside, guys? So just the charger, the plug in. See the charger. And then the stand. The manual. Yeah, no more, guys. That's it. This is just merely unboxing, guys. So that's it. That's what's inside the box. So the frame, the electronic frame, and then the charger and the stands manual. All right, thank you for watching, guys. Till my next video.